Hello guys, it's your boy Samuel and you're back with another video. So today I'll be talking about the motorcycle gloves, yeah, because I've just upgraded my gloves, and I want to talk about the importance of wearing nice motorcycle gloves. So these are the gloves I was using, as you can see here. Yes, they were half finger gloves. Actually I modified them to fit my hands. So this is my old gloves that I started with while riding. This is what I started with. So this is how they look like. Yes, so I bought full finger gloves but ended up cutting them halfly because my fingers are a little bit long. So the problem with this mistake is really bad, and most bikers do this mistake. Yeah, so these gloves only protects me from here to here, but my fingers are not protected. So I wouldn't advise anyone to cut their gloves. And on top of that, when you're riding and you go to really cold places, you find that your fingers freeze. Yes, and also if you fall, you will get hurt on your fingers. Actually, I've ever fallen on these gloves. They protected me, but I think I was lucky because you can lose a finger when you're wearing these gloves. So make sure your gloves cover the fingers, okay? So these gloves are really nice. They are leather gloves. The only problem is that I cut the finger parts, so they don't protect me. So I had to upgrade after most of my friends told me that these gloves are not good for riding. Okay, so this is the gloves that I opted to go for. Yes, I bought at Shakim's place. It's in Nairobi, around the Nairobi roundabout, the Globe roundabout. Yes, so this is how they look like. They're made out of cowhide. The good thing about these gloves is that they are longer. They are longer. They protect. Let me show you how they look. So the good thing about these gloves, as you can see, they protect my fingers, my hand, and also they protect my wrist. See? So when you fall on the motorbike, you get to be protected for the fingers up to the wrist. And when you're going for cold rides, like in very cold places like Rift Valley, Limuru, so your fingers won't freeze. Yes, and on top of that, the another advantage of having a good glove is that you also reduce the vibration, okay, on the handlebar. So let's say it's a 150cc motorbike, you can go above 100 kilometers per hour for a long period without feeling the vibrations. Yes, they also, another advantage of these gloves is that they protect you, like they have a good grip. Yes, so when you're riding with these gloves, you find that the grip is better. It reduces the vibration at a big rate. So I will advise, if you're buying a glove, please buy a very nice glove. Make sure it's leather. Make sure it covers your whole hand plus the wrist, so when you wear your jacket, you find that you get better protection for your full hand and wrist. I want to show you side by side how the difference between my old gloves and my new gloves. So this is how they look, as you can see here. You see, as you can see, the difference is really big. Yes, so I can even wear so that you can see. Let me wear one on one hand and the other on the other hand. So As you can see, this is the upgrade I'm talking about. You can see the difference very nicely. You see, this hand is very much protected from all the elements of riding, vibration, cold, and even falling, injuries. And this one is only protecting like half the hand. See, the fingers are exposed, the wrist is a little bit exposed. So that's the difference, guys. I wanted to show you, and I just wanted to tell you about the importance of having a uh, good glove. Make sure when you're riding, when you're getting out there, make sure you have a good gloves so that you can ride and be safe. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. I know it's a short video, but it's a really important thing to tell you guys. So subscribe to the channel and let me see you in the next video. Bye, guys.